Hello, SnapStreamers. Today we're going to talk about live streaming to YouTube from your SnapStream. So, YouTube Live is available once you've set up your YouTube account in SnapStream. If you need assistance getting this done, please contact your administrator or SnapStream support. We'll be happy to help. This feature allows you to live stream recordings, clips, and in-progress recordings to YouTube. We have controls that will allow you to refine the clip from start to finish from anywhere in the recording so that you can stream whichever section of the recording you like. So let's talk about how to live stream from the library. You can live stream both recordings and clips from your library. To do so, simply find the library item for the media you wish to live stream, click the More Information button to the right of the entry, which is the three dots. Click the YouTube Live button in the resulting dialog window, and then select the page that you would like to stream to, and fill in the status and the rest of the other categories, and then you simply click Stream. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So once you've clicked the More Information button, or three dots, you'll be met with the window on the left. The window on the left is a dialog that appears for more information, and you would simply click the YouTube Live button there, just under Periscope and Facebook Live. What will then appear is the dialog on the right here. And as you can see, I've already pre-filled some things here. I've got an account that says Daniel@snapstream.com. I've got a subject, which is the 2019 World Series. The entertainment is the category, so you can choose any category that YouTube allows. Then you have public, private, or unlisted type of video you want. And then you have the body, and then YouTube tags, and then you have the stream button. So to live stream, you simply fill in that information and click stream. So let's give that a shot. So I'm going to go to one of my clips. I'm just going to show you what this looks like. Okay, you selected this clip. Obviously, you don't have to check that out. I would check that box. I just did it by habit, but you simply click the More Information button here. Click YouTube Live. We're just going to use Brandon's account for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, and I gave it a tag, and you simply click Stream. Now this is going to fail because this isn't going to, because the account isn't configured for this. So you can check the task details here, or you can also check them here in your pending, completed, and failed, and you should be able to find the failed task. Obviously, if this was configured correctly for the test, we would be looking at a successful YouTube Live share. Okay. So let's talk about how to live stream from the web player, which is a little different. This is when you're playing back and you want to live stream what you're watching. So to do this, you would start the playback of a clip, a finished recording, or an in-progress recording. Click the YouTube button in the center pane of your web player window. Define your start and end parameters, and then click Post, after obviously filling out all of the other information. So this is what that looks like. As you can see here, I've got the web player. And in this screenshot, I've already clicked the YouTube button. So you'll see that I've put Michael at SnapStream.com. That's our account that we're going to use for this example in this screenshot. The 2019 World Series is our title. The category here is entertainment, and this video is going to be listed as private. And as you can see here, we've got a body and a space for tags. And you would simply click upload to get this to live stream. So let's just take a look at what that looks like. Okay, as you can see, we're going to have playback. I'm just going to go ahead and mute this guy. We're going to play it back, and let's say I wanted to live stream this to YouTube. Got our handy little reminder that this doesn't work. Okay, so we've already got a few things here. We're just going to go ahead and tag this properly and make it say ESPN test. And you simply click this button here at the bottom. Obviously, it's kind of hidden because of the interface, but you see that it does the same exact thing as before. You can track all of the tasks on the test page here. Okay, so let's go over what we've covered today. We covered how to stream to YouTube Live. To do this, you'll need to set up a YouTube account in SnapStream. Once that's done, you'll be able to live stream to a YouTube account. If you need assistance configuring a YouTube account, please contact your administrator or SnapStream support, and I'm sure we'll be happy to help you. Thanks. Have a good one.